Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to set up Bell Wi-Fi pods. First, make sure you have a compatible Bell modem such as the GigaHub, HomeHub 4000, HomeHub 3000, or HomeHub 2000. Then open the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. Now search for Bell Wi-Fi and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Bell Wi-Fi app, then sign in using your MyBell username and password. Now make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone or tablet, as the app uses Bluetooth to communicate with the pods during setup. Next, plug your Bell Wi-Fi pod into a power outlet, then keep your mobile device close to the pod while it powers on. Here, the Bell Wi-Fi app will automatically detect the pod and begin the setup process. After that, follow the on-screen instructions until the app confirms that the pod is connected. If you have additional pods, plug them into power outlets around your home. Then wait for each pod to appear in the Bell Wi-Fi app and complete the setup. Now, if you want to add another pod later, open the Bell Wi-Fi app, then tap the menu icon from the bottom right corner. Here, scroll down to the access points section. Next, tap add a pod. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect the new pod. After that, if you want to locate or rename a pod, go to the home screen of the Bell Wi-Fi app. Then tap the pod you want to manage. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. Here, select locate and name pods. Then follow the instructions to give the pod a custom name such as living room, bedroom, or office. For the best performance, place your pods evenly throughout your home. Then try to keep each pod within 10 to 14 meters of another pod or your modem. Next, install the pods along interior walls whenever possible instead of exterior walls. After that, keep the pods in open areas and avoid placing them behind furniture, inside cabinets, or near appliances such as microwaves and baby monitors. Now check that the pods have a strong connection to your modem and to each other, then leave the pods connected and powered on. Finally, wait up to 24 hours for the Bell Wi-Fi system to fully optimize your network and provide the best wireless coverage throughout your home. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.